Alright guys, so today we are going to make some lemon butter chicken, and I have all of my ingredients here, so let's go ahead and get started. So these pieces of chicken were really thick, so I decided to cut them in half just to make them easier to cook. So you'll see me kind of cut the chicken in half, and I'll do it for every single piece just to make sure that it cooks evenly throughout. Such a weird little piece. I'm just gonna have to cut in half. This could be my daughter's piece right there, and then there's like the last one. All right, so now that our chicken is all cut up, we're gonna start with our seasoning. First, we're gonna start with some salt, some onion powder, some black pepper, and we're gonna add our olive oil. Oh, I forgot the garlic. Now, I know you guys may be thinking that's not a lot of seasoning, but don't worry, because we're going to add the chicken bouillons later on, which is going to be very flavorful. So now we are dredging our chicken, just lightly coating it with some flour. That's going to add some really nice texture to our chicken without getting it soggy and things like that. When it gets in the sauce, it have a nice texture to it. So I'm just going to continue doing that for the remaining of the pieces of chicken. This recipe is pretty beginner friendly for the most part. You clean your chicken, you season it, you know, place it in some flour, and then you pan sear it. Once it's pan seared, I just kind of place it to the side. This is just kind of cooking some more, it's not ready. But once it's pan seared, I place it to the side, and then I get started on my sauce. You'd add your chopped up garlic and saute it in some butter. So for whatever reason, my camera just stopped recording, but here I added the butter, the chicken bouillon, and in the next clip I added some water just because we didn't have any chicken stock, so we made our own. Of course, don't forget the main ingredient, and this is the final product. And I'm gonna show you guys how I plate it, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.